Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I want to share with you some of the unique pieces in my collection, and I'm hoping that this video will inspire you to look at your current collection and kind of find which are your unique pieces. Now in my collection, my unique pieces are a little bit more quirky, a little bit more colorful, and a little bit more different than my usual everyday luxury items. So to me, these are very unique. But for you, it could be pieces that are actually really simple, very classic, because maybe your character could be very flamboyant. You're the person that carries a lot of colorful bags, you carry a lot of quirky bags, and that's your usual standard look, but then you've got that one classic piece in your collection, and to you that is unique. So unique is very subjective. For me, my unique pieces are looking at me right here, and I thought it'll be fun to share with you. These are, this set of pieces that I have, which every time I look at it, I feel they are different from what I usually would carry. They are definitely standout pieces. Starting off with my newest addition is my LV Valisette BB. This is a limited edition luggage bag which I recently acquired. I got this towards the end of February, before this whole situation, and I got it because I really wanted it for my birthday, and I was, my essay hunted it down for me. It took almost, I think, more than 5 months, almost 6 months to hunt down this runway piece. This is from a previous collection, I think fall winter collection last year. So yeah, this is definitely a very unique piece in my collection. I have done an unboxing in my haul, so you can check it out. But I don't know, would you guys be interested in a review about this bag? It's not a very common bag. It comes with in different interior, cloth interior. I probably could do like maybe a what's in my bag. If you are interested, they do have this bag in the standard monogram, the classic version, which is also very nice, but I really wanted something that is unique and different, and this to me is super, it's super loud. The next two pieces are from the same line, and they are the multicolor pieces. I have the cosmetic case as well as the Speedy 30 in multicolor. Now, this bag is a collector's piece in my collection. I've only used it once out, and then the rest of the time I only show it on camera and take it out to admire. I actually had to replace the handle, as you can see, because I had some some chemical damage on the handle about a year ago, so I had to get it replaced. That was the most painful experience because it's so expensive. But yeah, anyway, it will patina. So it is actually in, I would say, new to pristine, pristine to new condition, because I've used it once, so I can't call it like new, right? But it is actually like brand spanking new. I feel like this is a bag that you either love or you don't like. It's definitely not something that everybody would carry. It's very, very loud. It's very, very like, look at me, bougie kind of bag, but it is definitely super, super unique and different, and just so stunning, so cheerful. Every time I look at it, there's like so many things happening, so many colors, so many different, so many things happening. So I love it, and I absolutely love the cosmetic case as well. This is actually brand new. As you can see, the sticker is still on the pouch. That's amazing, right? I've never used this, and even if I have brought it out to use, it's because I'm showing it on camera, but otherwise it's never left the house. It is a brand new piece. The next two pieces are mini pochettes, and these are the limited edition pieces. One is the monogram with this really cute animation. This is from a Christmas collection. I don't remember which year, but I love this. I love the whole the car, and then all the, what is this, like the smoke that's coming out from the car, which has little patterns on it. There's an umbrella flying off. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful, beautiful piece. I also have this new piece. This is from the Spring Summer 2020 Escale tie-dye version. I love these unique mini pochettes. I had one more, which is the damier version with the big LVs. I forgot what collection is that. But I sold that because, I don't know, I still prefer the monogram version like this. And then in any other color, I still like them a little bit more unique. The animal collection that came out, I wasn't a fan, so I guess I do prefer the human versions, the more cartoon, like Tintin kind of cartoon, which I really like. This round clutch from Chanel is also a very unique piece in my collection. Look at that. That is stunning, right? It looks like it's iridescent green, but when I look at it up close here, it looks purple. This is one of the most stunning unicorn, mermaid, wow, leathers that I've ever seen. So this bag, I purchased it last year. This was my wild card purchase because I wasn't supposed to buy more than my wish list, but when I had a chance to see this in store, I fell head over heels. It is definitely a novelty item. It carries, you know, it doesn't really hold anything. You probably could put your keys, maybe your card, just your card, maybe not the card case, and then some cash. You can put maybe your hand sanitizer inside as well, and just go out for a quick errand, maybe go for a nice little cute dinner. It does not hold your handphone, but honestly, I don't really put my handphone in my bag unless I need both of my hands or both free. Otherwise, I'm always holding my phone. So I don't really find that to be an issue. But yeah, so this is definitely something very cute, very novelty, and very special. Next few unique items I don't have with me right now, so I will put pictures and you can take a look because I am in a different filming location. The first is my LV Cannes pop bag. Now this comes in a variety of colors. They come with the bigger monogram. They also come with the standard darker and reverse monogram. But mine is in the pop collection, which has a very, almost like a 3D kind of illusion monogram. It looks like a paint can, it looks like a tin, it looks like a bucket, and it's definitely not the easiest bag to open and close. But every time I carry that bag out, people turn their heads. They're like, "Oh, what's that?" They look like, "What is she carrying? Is that an LV bag?" It's very nice. Okay, it's special. It's one of those bags that if you already have like a standard collection, I mean, personally for me, like you already have bag for work, you have bag for going out, you have your very easy going bag, you have your traveling bag. There is always a space in your collection for something quirky, something different, something unique. And to me, in addition to all the unique pieces that I've shown you, that bag is definitely different. It's a different look. It looks like a tin, and it's definitely not your usual design of a squarish kind of rectangular bag. So yeah, that is my other unique piece. Let's talk about shoes, and my most unique pair of shoes in my collection. I am kind of embarrassed to say it, but I actually really like it, is my Balenciaga triple S's. Every time I wear that shoe, I feel so extra. I feel like my feet are like this big. I feel like I could walk on the moon, and they're surprisingly comfortable. Granted, they are a little bit heavy. When you first start to walk in them, you gotta kind of feel the weight. Your calves are actually working on overtime. But after a while, you actually get quite used to the weight of the shoe, and it doesn't feel like much, but it does feel like chunky shoes. I love those shoes. Okay, they are definitely extra unique in my collection. And yes, those Balenciaga triple S's, you either love them or you hate them. The last unique bag in my collection is my most special handbag, and that is my Monaco kimono clutch from my best friend Shireen. That bag is the most outstanding, unique, special bag in my collection, and I treasure that bag very deeply. It holds not only so much meaning to me, but every time I carry that bag, I turn heads. It's a clutch, it's not luxury, definitely, but it's luxury in my eyes. So if you want to know more about my kimono clutch, I have a few videos coming up about unique pieces in my collection. So look out for those videos, right? Those are the unique pieces in my collection, and I hope I inspired you to take a look at your collection and revisit whatever you have and find those unique pieces and almost fall in love with them again, because we get caught up with the whole buying and selling and finding for the new thing. But if you look at your collection right now, actually there are many unique pieces. So it could be a customized world tour bag. Then why did you pick those pieces? Why did you pick those stickers? Or it could be even a unique piece that was given to you from someone, like for me, my kimono clutch. So yeah, I encourage you to go and look at your collection, and now that we have a lot of time, it's good to just take stock, be grateful with whatever we have today, and really enjoy and re-admire everything that we have. So anyway, you guys take care, stay safe, wash your hands, stay home, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.